on, Frosty. Go. Go on. There you go. Go play with him. Hey, you need to step quietly. Not so loud. No, get over here and play with him, or I'm going to put him back.
What's he doing?
He was cleaning his face. Frosty is a boy. So he's a he, not a she.
Well,
Come on.
he's using the respect.
No, you're not going back in there 500,000 times. No. I will put your litter box back into your cage. You're not going back in there. You were just in there. Go play. Quit being lazy.
Other flies are doing things.
Go play with Frosty.
Other flies.
No.
Another
No.
fly.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear
What was your name again?
Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Slow down. Slow down. Good job.
So that's where
Hermione. Hi, Linda. Bill. I'm videoing for the vlog. Matthew. What kind of dessert do you think Cthulhu wants?
Tea.
Well, do you think he wants a donut, a cookie, or chocolate? Oh, he wants chocolate. He wants a chocolate cookie. Okay. Mommy's got a donut. You've got a chocolate square. Taddy has a chocolate square. And Cthulhu has a chocolate cookie.
Yay.
You think Cthulhu wants some tea?
Yeah.
Why don't you make him some tea?
Oh, yay.
All right.
No, she's wants sugar.
That's cream.
Cream.
There you go.
Sugar.
Need some sugar.
Boop. 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 Maybe she needs 5. Boop. Boop.
Well, that was 5.
yellow, lily.
Perfect.
Yellow, rock.
Looking good.
Sort the objects by color. Sort the green objects into one pile and the brown objects into the other pile. Green, fern leaf.
Great.
Brown, mushroom.
Looking good.
Brown,
Everybody, this gets very, fair warning to everyone, this gets very, very loud. Speak! Good girl. Speak! Speak! Good girl. Good girl. Alright, you want the ball? Good girl. Go fetch. Break.
It is.
Mommy got you. My big girl. I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm never, ever, ever letting you go. Ow, that's my hair. Let go of my hair. Hermione, let... Ow! What do you say to Mama?
Sorry.
Thank you.
I
I love you.
have to go poop.
I love you.
I want to go poop.
Okay.
What's up, you guys? Here's a song about literally my life. It gets worse, but I just put some ranch on it and everything's alright.
Oh, not Chicken Man.